Hi, it's Krista with Flourish Yoga, and I am going to show you today how simple and easy it is to make your own daily massage oil. So daily massage is one of my all-time favorite things for calming my nervous system down, for rejuvenating my skin, and for cleansing, right? The oil lifts away the dirt and impurities without taking away that protective layer of our skin. So we come out feeling clean, but also just super nourished and super juicy. Your skin just loves this, and your nervous system loves it too. So super easy. All you need is a bottle, right? I use a glass bottle because we're putting some oils in here and I don't want to be restricted to what I put in. It is used in the bathroom, but not in the shower. Typically, I'm going to do it before I hop in the shower. So it's not really a risk of having that in there. However, if you're doing this with kids, you may want to use a plastic bottle instead, and then just stay away from the citruses. Okay, so bottle. All you do is you're going to take the lid off the bottle. You're going to add in, I like between 20 and 30 drops of oil in a bottle this size. 20 is probably lots. We'll say 20. Between 20 and 30, depending on how strong you like it. And really, there is no right or wrong oil for this. I have some favorites. The only thing you might want to do is ones that are like really, really hot oils wouldn't be appropriate in large quantities, but it's all going to be diluted. So really just like play with it, whatever you need. And so what I do is I'll use this, and this will take me probably a couple weeks to go through, and then I'll make up a new batch. So whatever the season happens to be, whatever I'm needing in my body, that's what I'm going to add in. One of my favorite bases is to use like the AromaTouch Massage Blend. You could just use AromaTouch, put it in there, and be good and to go, right? So I'm going to add in as my base, I'm going to go, we'll go 10 drops of this one today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Some of them come out a lot quicker than others. You got to watch that. And I'm going to go Litsea. This is one I haven't used for a long, long time. It's one of those special oils that comes out every once in a while. So I'll give it a little special treat. Okay. And sometimes I like to smell them and just see what's going on. And I'm going to go Siberian Fir. I've got some aches and pains going on. I love the woodsy smell of this one. So I'm going to go 2, 3, 4, 5. Anybody keeping count? I got 5, 5, and 10. I'm going to add maybe another 5. So I could go lemongrass if I'm like feeling the connective tissue needs something, or just some extra, cleansing energetically, physically on that. Geranium is that oil of self-love, or honoring the body, and bergamot for self-love, or frankincense if you need a little bit extra grounding. So I'm going to smell what's in here right now. And it smells pretty sweet. I need a little boost of something. So I'm actually, because it's winter time, I'm going to add in 5 drops of grapefruit. So I wouldn't add grapefruit in the summer because any of the citrus oils, except for green mandarin. Green mandarin's a big favorite of mine because it's not photosensitive. But the citrus oils can be photosensitive. So if you're living in a spot where you have summer all year round, you're not going to put citrus in your massage oil. When you live in, Canada, northern climates, most of the year we're good for that. But you just have to kind of watch that. Just the citrus oils can be photosensitive, and you are going to be having this on your whole body. So next thing, so that was 25 drops, and that's probably lots in there. You can kind of smell it. Make sure it, smells pleasing, that you didn't go, oops, I need to add something else to kind of balance that out. And then you're simply going to top it up. Now this is avocado oil. So it's an organic avocado cold-pressed oil. I get the big bottles from Costco, so it's super easy. But there are lots of different base oils you could use. When I'm getting fancy, this is just totally kitchen medicine we're doing here right now. You're literally in my kitchen, right? If you're getting fancy, sometimes I will do some sesame oil, some jojoba. I'm giving it as a gift. I usually get a little fancier. Or sometimes if I just need a little extra nourishment, or I've got something going on that I need a little extra TLC, I might add in one of those other specialty oils. Sweet almond oil is a beautiful one. So you're just going to top this up with your oil. Just make sure you don't run it over. You can kind of see it along the side here. So it's up just about to the top. I'm not going to put it all the way through because when I slip this in, it kind of adds up to that again. We're going to slip in the top. I'm just going to roll it a few times to kind of get it all and swirl it around, get it all mixed up. Good to go. So then when you're using this, you're just gonna, I love the pump on the bottles because now I can pump it with one hand and I'm massaging it in on the other hand. And you get your 3 massages in one. So you're gonna pump this in and massage it through your body, just taking note of what your body feels like. You're gonna hop in the shower, and sometimes I will like put an old robe out and go water the plants or hang out and just let it soak in. But some mornings I just have time to like massage it in, connect with myself on that. Hop in the shower, take a washcloth, an old one, not a like expensive one because they don't like the oil too much. And you're gonna, massage it all off again while you're waiting for your hair to kind of do its thing. And then you hop out of the shower and you use your towel, massage it through. So you have just like given your body love 3 times, and your body is gonna feel so good and so amazing. All right, so enjoy this, my seasonal, especially in the fall and the winter. But all year round, this is my favorite self-care tool. Okay, bye-bye.